Guys, welcome to KV School Education. Today I am going to explain you the chapter number 2nd of 7th class. The chapter name is Rain and Rivers. So today there are two parts in this chapter. Today I am going to explain you only the first part of this chapter, that is rain. And there is another video for the rivers. So let us see first about rains. The first part, we have the first topic, that is evaporation. Evaporation. So let us discuss about the evaporation. First look at your textbooks. There is an example for this evaporation topic. Here there is an example in a textbook. Pranavi named girl. What she did, she woke up early and she was prepared to do a hot water bath. So what she did, she taken a beaker and she poured some water and she kept it the high flame. And she covered the beaker with the lid. After some time, she observed that she taken off the lid and she observed that there is an water vapor. Water is covered with that. After cooling of the lid, the water is completely covered by the lid. So she observed that here there is another process. Let me explain you that. This is an ocean. Sun. Clouds. Here I will explain you how the rain will form, how the clouds will form, and then how the clouds will turn into water. So here there is a process. That process is known as an evaporation. So during the summer season, a day which is high temperature, which have the high temperature. So when the sun rises, the temperature will increases. So when the temperature will increases, obviously the water will get heat up. So already I said you the example that Pranavi heated the water and she the water vapor turned into the water. So here the same process will occur during the high temperature day. The ocean water will heat up and it will turn into the vapor. I mean water vapor. So imagine that the water is turning into the water vapor and it will go up and it will form the clouds. Let me explain you again. During the high temperature day, I mean the summer season, during the summer season, high temperature day arises completely, then the ocean water will get heat up and it will turn into the vapor. Then it will go completely upward and form as a cloud. So this is the formation of the cloud. Now I will explain you how the cloud will get the water. So this is about summer season. This process will occur in the summer season. Now let us, after summer season, we will get the rainy season. So how the rain will form? So I will explain you that. So when after the completion of the summer season, the sun will not give the much temperature. Will not give us the much temperature. So the climate will be cool. So the cool wind which comes and evolve. So where the wind comes from? The wind comes from trees and plants. So that's why we will mostly says that we should plant it. So here trees and plants, by this we'll get the cool wind. So reduction of these trees and plants will get the deforestation. So let us leave that. So trees and plants will provide the wind. So when this cool wind goes and touches the clouds, then the small water droplets will form in the clouds. So already we saw that Pranavi opened the lid and kept aside of. So the cool wind came and touched the lid and it became the water droplets. So same process occurs here. When the cool wind comes and touches the cloud, the water droplets will form in it. Now the topic is about the monsoon winds. The winds which comes from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. And they are called as a southwest monsoon. You know why the monsoon winds are called as a southwest monsoons? Let me explain you. And here it is a south portion of an India map. Where is the Arabian Sea is located? At the south. Here Arabian Sea. Here Bay of Bengal. Here it is a south part, here it is a west part. So southwest. Here monsoon winds are called as southwest monsoon winds. So it is a topic of monsoon winds. Now I will explain you the topic of rainfall in Telangana. Rainfall in Telangana. Rainfall in Telangana from March to June. There is a summer season. There is a summer season. Not only in Telangana, all over India. But especially we are discussing about the Telangana. So March to June there is a summer season. So what I said, you do during the summer season, the oceans, the whole area of the oceans will carry the monsoon winds. So at the end of the, at the beginning of the June, the winds will move towards the Telangana region. The monsoon winds. Example, here there is a Bay of Bengal. So it will carry the monsoon winds. Here Arabian Sea, it will carry the monsoon winds. So the wind blows and it will pressure to go towards the Telangana region. Here there is a Telangana region. So here the winds will blow over the region. Here the winds will pressurize and it will cover the Telangana region. So this is the topic of the monsoon winds. Now slowly the temperature of the sun will decreases and the summer season will exist. Now slowly the rainy season will come, sir. Now already I said you, now after the existing of the summer season, slowly the rainy season will start and the monsoon will already cover the whole region. So now slowly the winds will blow. The water which forms. So summer season will exist. By this process the region will receive the heavy rainfalls. Now I am going to explain you about the northeast monsoons. The direction of the wind reverses after the October. The wind blows from Bay of Bengal towards the southwest. Here the topic is reversed. As we know, the southwest monsoons are reversed from the northeast monsoons. So guys, here is the process of the water cycle. Let me explain you again. So it is in summer. So the temperature is very high. The sun, the ocean, clouds, a small village. So during the high temperature day, the water will heat up and it will turn into the water vapor and it will form as a cloud. So the cloud gets condensed. It means the cool wind comes and it will touches the cloud and it will become the small water droplet. Then during the southwest monsoons, it will blow towards the regions or the region or the state. So there the slowly the summer season will exist and the rainy season will start and it will come and it will form as a rain. So here the water will again flow into the oceans. So this is a cycle. which was continuously repeated. So guys, this is the first part of this lesson. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Thanks for watching our video.